You are welcome to online lectures with From Eternity the Schoolboy. Today, we'll take a look at chemistry. And our reference book for today is Prep 50 Chemistry, UTME past questions. And the topic we will look at is atomic structure and bonding. Atomic structure and bonding. And we'll pick our questions from JAM question as stated in this book. JAM question from page 21, number 38, question number 38 on page 21, JAM question 2014, question 11. I'll write it on the board. All right, the question says, a silicon containing or has 92% silicon 28 and 5% silicon 29 and 3% silicon 30. Calculate the relative atomic mass of the silicon. A, 14.00, B, 29.00, C, 28.11, D, 28.00. Excuse me, I want to set up the chat box so I can see any questions that are coming, please. Okay, why is coming up? Let's continue. So this question, as you look at the question, there are 3 isotopes of silicon here. What is wrong with this thing now? Let's continue, please. I don't want this to waste our time. Okay, so there are 3 isotopes here: silicon 28, 29, and 30. And this 92%, 5%, 3% respectively are their abundances. So the one that is most common is silicon 28, 92% silicon 28. In fact, by this issue of finding these, combining these percentages leads to relative atomic mass not being a whole number. It's not actually a whole number, most of the cases, except maybe or when they are combined. Most of the time, it's not always. It's not actually a whole number. Let's go into that to find out the reason why I say so. Now let's look at this question. So to be able to calculate the relative atomic mass of silicon, what we need to do is this. We find, this is 92%. We get 92% of this 28 plus 5% of this 29 plus 3% of this 30. That means the 92% of the mass number of this silicon 28, which is 28. 28 is the mass number. So 90% of this mass number of silicon 28, 5% of mass number of silicon 29, and 3% of mass number of silicon 30. We'll add it together. This will give us the relative atomic mass of silicon. All right, let's see how it goes. Solution. We can do it as a threat and get our answer, or do it individually. All right, so for silicon 28, we have 92% over what? 100% times what? 28. Let me pause my calculator so we don't waste time. This will give us 92 times 28 divided by 100. 25.76%. That's for silicon 28. For silicon 29, 95% of this 29 will give us 5% over 100% times 29, which is 5 times 29 divided by 100. This is this is not percent, sorry. 1.45. Sorry, this is not percent, sorry. Then let's go for silicon 30. We have 3% of 30, 3% over 100% times 30 to give us 90 divided by 100. This is 90. This is 0.9. So let's add up everything. So relative atomic mass of silicon Did I mention sulfur? Is this what we call here since? I pray so. If I call sulfur, please, the silicon, please. Hey. So the metal atomic mass of silicon is now equal to, you add up, 25.76 plus 1.45 plus 0.9. This will give us, let's add up, 25.76 plus 1.45, 25.76 plus 1.45 plus 0.9. The answer is 28.11. 28. As you can see, the relative atomic mass of silicon is 28.11. It's not a whole number. It's not a whole number. So let's look at the options. Option A says 14.00 no. B says 29.00 no. C says 28.11. Correct. D said 28.00. There's something I want to do now. Watch out. 28 plus 29 plus 30 divided by 3. I just calculated this plus this plus this, 28 plus 29 plus 30, and found it and calculated the average. It gave me 29.00. It's in the option. So be careful. Be extremely careful about this type of question. So, but the answer is what? Just follow these steps and you get the correct answer. And the answer is what? 28.11. Okay. If you have any question, please feel free to, our chat box is taking time. Just call any of this number, 081 3868 2003 or 07012 945891. Call any of this number right now. We are live. I'll answer your questions. If you have any question in any of the steps I took here, please call. I'll give 1 minute for that to entertain questions. Just 1 minute. So while we wait for the question, please, I want to make an announcement. Every Saturday from 7 a.m. to 7:10 a.m. I organize academic competition titled Academic Battle with From Eternity, the Schoolboy. Every Saturday features a subject picked from arts courses, science courses, commercial courses, and even pharmaceutical and medical courses. And registration is free of charge. You're not paying any dime to register for the competition, and it's online. There are prizes to be won. If you are interested to either participate in the competition or to sponsor, because we need donations, financial support to be able to continue this good work. If you are interested in supporting by way of the donation, please chat me up on any of these numbers for account details. And if you are interested in participating, chat me up for registration link. So another information I want to pass across is that we need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. The name is From Eternity, the Schoolboy. As you are done watching this lecture, please subscribe. Just click on that red button written subscribe. Click on it and you subscribe. There is a button that looks like a bell by the side. That is the notification button. Once you click on that button, anytime we post video or anytime we go live, you will be notified. You'll be among the first to watch our lectures. In the absence of any question, I think we will end this lecture here. At 4 a.m., we'll come back for physics lectures. At 4 a.m., we'll come back for physics. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you. Please share these lectures, like this video, share with your friends, your colleagues, your children, and your students. They may be in need of this lecture. See you at 4 a.m. God bless you.